Hello guys, as in the previous video lectures we have done the theoretical part of sequencing, and yesterday I sent you some problem solving on sequencing. Today let's solve what we have assigned you as a problem, right? The first problem what I have assigned you yesterday was, let's discuss, is there are 5 jobs, namely 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, each of which must go through machines A, B, and C in the order A, B, C. Processing time in hours are given below. In this table, you can check there are 3 machines and 5 jobs. So, this is a type 2 case when there are n jobs and 3 machines. Find the sequence that minimum or minimize the total elapsed time required to complete the jobs. Earlier also we have done same type of problems, right? But I was getting that some of you are still facing in solving this type of numericals. So let's again discuss this today, and if there is any query you can call me anytime, right? Solution. Here if 3 machines and n jobs are given, so first we will convert it into 2 machines problem, right? 2 machine problem, so that the optimal sequencing can be done, right? In sequencing problem we have to find out two things. First, the optimal sequence of jobs, and second thing we have to find out the minimum elapsed time, right? So sequencing we can find only when there will be two machines, right? And then minimum elapsed time we will find for 3 machines or 4 machines, whatever is to be asked in the respective question. So in this we will find out minimum time taken by machine A, maximum time taken by machine B, and minimum time taken by the machine C, right? So there are two conditions. If minimum of A is greater than equal to maximum of B, or minimum of C is greater than equal to maximum of B. If either any one or both the conditions satisfied, then we can easily convert the 3 machine problem into 2 machine problem to find the optimal sequencing of the jobs. All right, are you getting? So here in this problem, minimum of A is equal to 5, maximum of B is equal to 5, and minimum of C is equal to 3. So first condition is satisfied, minimum A is equal to maximum of B. 5 is equal to 5. So we can convert 5 jobs and 2 machine problem. So here jobs are given. How we will convert it into G is equal to A plus B. So in this problem 5 plus 2 is 7. Next is 7 plus 1 8. 6 plus 4 10. Next is 9 plus 5 14. 5 plus 3 8. H is B plus C, that is 2 plus 3 5. 1 plus 7 8, 4 plus 5 9, 5 plus 6 11, 3 plus 7 10. So optimal sequencing we will find out to make a rectangular box, and if it is done by machine G, we will write it from the left side, and if the time taken is minimum done by the machine H, then we will write it from the right side. So the optimal sequence will be 2 5 4 3 1, right? So now we have to find out here the minimum elapsed time. So optimal sequencing you will all find 2 5 4 3 and 1. So in machine A, now look at carefully, machine A में 2 में कितना time given है, that is 7. But when we will start the work, initial time will always be equal to 0, right? So 2 के सामने I have put it 0. Now in 2 the time taken by machine is 7. So next in front of 5 I put it 7. Now in 5 job the time is given 5. We will cumulatively add in the previous one. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. In 4 the time is 9. Here 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. In 3 job time taken is 6 hours. So 21 plus 6 is 27, right? To find out the out time of machine A, we will add the actual time taken by the machine A in jobs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in time. So the first one, out time of job 2 is in 2 में कितना time given है 7. So 0 plus 7 is 7. In 5 the time is 5 hours. 7 plus 5 is 12. In 4 the time is here 9. So 12 plus 9 is 21. You can check it diagonally also. Diagonally the value will be remain same. And in 1 the time is 5. So this is 27 plus 5 is equal to 32. Machine B, if we talk about. So the out time of machine A will be equal to the in time of machine B. In 2 has been done. 2 में actual time कितना given है 1. So we will add 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. But we will not write 8. The out time of machine A is equal to 10. So whatever be the maximum value, we will put it here same value. So in place of 8, we will write it here 12. All right, understood? Because the time is cannot be less than the actual time. 12 hour already has been done. In 5 में time is given 3 hours. So 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. But the maximum is 21. So we will write it 21. In 4 the time is 5 hours. 21 plus 5 is 26. But a maximum is 27. So we will write it here 27. In 3 job 3 में the time is given here 4. 27 plus 4 is 31. The maximum is 32. So we will write it here 32 only. Out time, then we find the out time, we will add the actual time in the in time. Let's see. In 2 it is 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. In 5th the time is 3. So 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. In 4 job it is the 5 hours. 21 plus 5 is equal to 26. 3 the time is 4 hours. 27 plus 4 is 31. In one job it is given time is 2. So 32 plus 2 is 34. Similarly you will find out yourself the time in time and out time of machine C. So the minimum total elapsed is equal to 40 hours. What we have to find in each and every questions of sequencing. Idle time of machine A, the total time taken by the machine C minus total time of machine A, that is 40 minus 32 is equal to 8 hours. Idle time of machine B is 25, that is you will minus diagonally and plus 40 minus 34, that is 6. You can check is here 0 to 7, 8 to 12, 15 to 21, 26 to 27, 31 and 32 and 34 to 40. And idle time for machine C is equal to 12 hours, that is 26 minus 22 plus 37, that is 4 hours. All right. So do practice, and if there is any query, please call me. Thank you so much. Bye bye class.